What's up, guys? It's Skills. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix your connection. So it'll fix your NAT type so it's open, and it'll give you host more often, and you'll have a better connection, like better registration in games. This works for any Call of Duty. So first of all, what you're going to need is your IP address from your Xbox. So I'm going to go hook this up to my Dazzle, and I'll see you in a second. Alright guys, now that you're on your Xbox, it's pretty simple from here. All you gotta do is go to My Xbox, go down to System Settings, and go to Network Settings. Then choose whatever network you have, wired or wireless. Go to Configure Network, and click IP Settings. And you want to change this to Manual. And now you can enter an IP address. For Linksys, you only have to change the last three numbers. Well, really only the last number. But what you're doing here is you're setting up a static IP, so this way the IP won't change, because some routers will they'll automatically change the IP address depending on how many people are using the network. So what I do here is I just test the connection just to show that it still works even after you change your IP address. So yeah, this is it. Now the next part is back on the computer, so I will see you guys there. Okay, so now you have your IP address on your Xbox. What you need to do is open this, go to Command Prompt, CMD for Windows 7 or Vista. For XP, just go to Run and type CMD. It'll open up this black Command Prompt window and just type ipconfig, enter. And if you're on Wi-Fi, it'll be under wireless LAN adapter, wireless network connection. If you have a Ethernet cable running into your computer, it'll probably say Ethernet adapter. It'll be under this, and just look for where it has all this information. You're looking for your default gateway. I have a Vizio router. It's the same as a Linksys. It's the same gateway as a Linksys router, which is 192.168.1.1. Just go into Notepad and write this down. 192.168.1.1. Like I said, that'll be only for Linksys routers. If you have a Netgear, it'll be different. So Netgear, like any other type of router, it'll be different. I don't know what it is. So you can close that now and open your internet browser and type in that, whatever that was. Mine was 192.168.1.1. Wow. There we go. And whatever your gateway was, type it up there. And this screen will be a lot different for everybody else. This is only for Vizio routers. If you have a Netgear, it'll look a lot different. If you have a Linksys router, it'll look a lot different. Any other type of router will have a really different home screen. So for me, I just go into Router, and I go into Firewall there. And you want to try to find this screen, this port forwarding screen. For Linksys routers, that's what I had before. You go to Applications and Gaming. There's a bar up here, and then click Port Forwarding. Or yeah, it brings you to this screen. You're looking for a screen that looks like this. And so once you have this screen, you want to open a new tab and just Google portforward.com. And you click on this one right here, and then you'll get to this screen. And when you get here, just click Port List, and then hit Control F and type in Xbox. So you're looking for, where is it? Xbox Live 360. Now these 4 ports, copy them and just paste them into the notepad file. And these 4 ports are what you're going to use. You're forwarding these ports. What you're doing is the Xbox Live uses these ports for its like internet access in your router. It has all these different ports, and that's what your connection runs through. And these 4 ports are what the Xbox uses. So what you're going to do is port forwarding. You're pretty much telling the router to send the connection through only these 4 ports, or else you're sending them through all the ports, which you don't need. And so concentrating the connection will make it better. So once you go back to the screen right here, the router status, and for application name, I'm just typing in Xbox, and you open up your notepad and you look for the first port, which is 53. So type in 53, and internal port, just type the same one, and then you just go for both, and then you type in the IP that your Xbox had before, or your static IP that you set up. So mine was 105, and then you go to on. You just make it turn it on. For the second one, I put in Xbox 2. It doesn't matter what you name it, but these are the ports. You need to have these ports, and just type in the next port, put it at both, and type in the IP, and then check the box, and go to Xbox 3, and it's 1863. Copy that, paste it, both in 105. You just repeat this for all the ports. And for me, this is for me. Once you have it filled in, you click more, and the last one is 3074. Copy that, Xbox 4, paste it, oops, I want to do that, both, and 105, click it. So once you have this, you're pretty much good. This is all you have to do, and you can just click Save Changes. Shit, what's it doing? Sorry. Well, it'll work for you. I don't know what's going on for me right now, but it'll save. I just did it wrong. I've never done this before on this router, so I'll have to play around with it, and I'm gonna figure it out. But for you guys, you're pretty much good. So hope this helped, and hope your connection is a lot better. I will see you later.